Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Sonic running. I had another Sonic running video. That one had like Sonic with a, like when he runs so fast, he has like those, that cloud or something like that. Those, like that. It's basically like a circle showing his feet kind of move fast. This is going to be a different version. Go check that other video out. I'll link it in the description. But this is going to be different. This is going to be him running, meaning one leg forward, one leg back. So just to kind of give you another choice. So I love Sonic, so here's another version. It's going to be super easy, by the way. If you're a beginner, if you've never drawn anything in your life, you will probably, I guarantee you will be able to draw this, okay? This should be easy. All right, let's get going. First thing I do here is I'm going to draw the tip of Sonic's nose because he's going to be running that direction. Curve over here, the top of the nose, pulling down, and then flat right there. Looks kind of like a cork or something. Circle here on the nose, and I'm gonna fill in the rest of it with dark. If you're using a pencil, you can do that as well, or you can just leave it as is. Gonna go over here, find the top of the snout, curve underneath. Gonna go over here, kind of on that tip of that snout, right? That I'm gonna pull a line up. First, gonna be basically the eye. And then above this, I'm going to throw maybe a line, almost like it's like a T right there. And that's going to be the brow. You know, he's got like this angry look at all times, like determined, I guess. Up over here, down. All right. Going to find the iris and pupil, and it's going to be facing, it's going to be closer that way. So I'm going to go like this, because he is determined. Gonna go over here and pull the top of the brow, basically the top of his head out over here. It's gonna be a triangle here. Go over here, down, in. Line over here a little bit. And so now I'm gonna, well, not yet, I'm not gonna find the spike yet. I'm gonna go over here, the front, find the bottom part of his mouth. Gonna go over here and curve like so. Alright. All simple shapes. When you think in simple shapes, you know, things are much easier. Gonna go over here and just give him like a smile, like a determined smile. And then I'll draw a little bit of the back of his head here. Not much, maybe a line upward. Alright. Before I do the spikes in the back, I'm going to draw some of his body. So I'm going to start with his arm right here. So his arm looks straight up like a tube. Like, imagine like a tube. That's pretty much what his arm is. If you've had a Sonic toy, that's, you know, like, you'll probably know more about it. This Sonic... I have a few Sonic toys, actually. Some are pretty good. Curve over here. I collect a lot of toys, by the way, like figures, you know, so just to let you know, I collect a lot of action figures. Gonna pull up over here on the wristband, down over here on the wristband. So, well, I say wristband, but really what it is, it's kind of the cuff of his glove, right? And so you can do this, boom, boom, this kind of M shape on one side, M shape on the other, and then I'm gonna just connect it over here on this side. Looks like he's wearing two bracelets or something at once, and they're mushed together. Curve line here. Go over here on this side. Curve up, curve up, curve up. Line over here. For that closed fist. Gonna go over here and find the front of his chest. And I'm gonna kind of find it on the other side of this, so if it curves down. Here, like so. His body's really small in comparison to his head. And then I'm gonna pull down here, and that's his knee, so it's pulling back. Again, he's got like a tube. It's like tubes, his legs. Like that, like tube. Go over here to the front. Line. Line. Curve underneath. Same thing with the top of his socks that we did here. So it's going to be this M shape on this side, M shape on that side, like kind of an M, or like a 3, whatever. And then I'm going to connect those. Gonna go find the shoe. The shoe's pretty big, so I'm gonna go out, down, and then I'm gonna curve it back here. And then he's got this big white stripe through it, so line, line, line down here for the back. So the biggest thing you want to watch out for is you want to try to make the shoes, even though they're going to be angled differently, try to make them roughly the same size. You know, scale can be a big thing, so let's make the socks roughly the same, right? So you got that M, and then like give that upside down M here, and you connect it on this side. Gonna pull out the back of the shoe there. Go over here to the front. Curve down, and then I'm gonna flatten it out there. And then there's a stripe, line, line. Cool, cool. Let's find the spikes on his back. So we're gonna start up here, and I can go maybe up. Oops, did I go onto another paper? No, I didn't. Pull back. I'm going to start in here to kind of give it some illusion of layering. Line over here, back. I'm going to pull it all the way there because some of the spikes kind of pull into his head. I'm going to go over here and put a spike in the back here. Over here, pull a line here. Line over here. Line in here. Alrighty. Back. So he's got his arm. It's going to be in the back there. Remember, his arm is basically a tube. So as he's swinging his arm forward, he's swinging the other one back there. Line. This is going to be a little bit more flat. Same thing with the M. And then this time you're going to see the front of his fist. So it's going to be a little bit tougher. So I'm going to curve a line here. Keep curving it around like that, almost like a swirl. And that's going to make his fist. Like the thumb, you know. Over here on this side. You know, for the bottom of his palm. And then you're going to have a curve right here. Curve right here for another finger. Curve right here for another finger. Curve right here for another finger. And then let's go into his eyes lastly. You can kind of do this. Throw like the pupil in the iris. And then maybe, or, you know, put a line through it. Because it looks like you got the color down here and you have the highlight above. That might be a good trick for you to try out. And that's it. That's Sonic running normally. It's more like it looks like he has like a brisk jog going on. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you liked that, like I said, hit the subscribe. I don't know if I said that, but make this the video you subscribe in. I'm trying to hit 200,000 followers by the end of the year. Hopefully I hit that. But I do appreciate everybody's support. Everybody's been amazing. And I post 3 times a day. So thank you so much. If you want to donate to the PayPal that keeps the channel running, the PayPal's in the description. Everything that I get on the PayPal, I spend on markers for the channel. And I spend on editing equipment and you know, editing programs and things of that sort. So every single cent goes back into the channel because These things, they're cheap, but they can get kind of, since I'm drawing 3 lessons a day, they can start to run out really quick and start to get pricey. Same thing goes for paper. I buy huge stacks of paper. And then the editing stuff, I have a program right now that's like $300 that I use to edit programs with. So, you know, that stuff can be pricey. I mean, like per year. So, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Everybody's super nice. If you can hear me right now, say hi to me in the comments, and I will say hi right back to you, okay? Stay tuned after this for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.